Hey there everyone. So welcome back to another video. I'm gonna try to be putting these out once a week, but that's gonna be my goal and I'm really hoping I stick to it. So this week on this special video, I'm gonna be talking about onemonth.com. And if you don't know what onemonth.com is, feel free to check out the link down below, but I will be giving you a little snippet on what they do and what they are and what my experience right now is kind of going like. So let's get started. So onemonth.com. Onemonth.com, if you haven't heard about it, which is a really sweet site where you can basically learn coding in 1 month. You might be thinking 1 month is a really short amount of time to learn something. And of course it is. But if you put in the amount of work and the amount of time each week to dedicate yourself to watching these videos and really putting in the time to work on those projects and kind of like tweaking them to make them your own, going on Stack Overflow, like that in a consistent manner is going to do you wonders. And the more you do it and the more you practice, the better that you get at it and the more comfortable you start feeling with that language that you're learning. So the kind of like selling point of 1 month is that you get this course that you can choose from. So right now they have a couple courses that you can choose from. You have 1 month HTML, CSS, 1 month JavaScript, 1 month Python, 1 month Rails, and 1 month Ruby. I'm not sure if there's any other courses coming up, but those are the ones that are currently on their site. And for myself, I'm actually taking the 1 month JavaScript course. And the reason is that I signed up for this was because I've been really struggling with kind of being consistent with learning JavaScript. So I started learning JavaScript really early this year, like maybe January, even like last December. And I would be really consistent for like 3 weeks to a month and stop for like 2 weeks, get back into it. And each time you kind of like stop and restart, it takes you like double the amount of time just to like pick up what you learned. So I needed something with structure and I needed something very much like what onemonth.com offers. So their courses are split into monthly courses. So you get a starting date and then that Monday you have that whole week to watch all the lessons, which they're taught by Chris, who is actually, he used to teach at General Assembly, which is another boot camp, but he also does teaching here at 1 month. So he's a really good teacher, really great like personality, and just keeps you very engaged in the video. So you can come back to these videos whenever you want. They're there all week. And then on Sunday you have a due date for your project. So the whole week you're kind of like working towards doing baby steps, learning about variables, arrays, debugging your browser. And this is only week 1. And with that, you're working on a project. So the first week we did a happy hour kind of like walkthrough tutorial all week. I did an unusual dates kind of like app. So one array had locations and then another array had like what you would pick your date up in. So in your function or in your code, you would pretty much tell it to each time a new person comes on your site and they click this button that says give me a new date, it'll mix and match. So it'll take one item from that first array of like location, and then it'll take another item from that second array for what you're gonna pick up your date in, and then it would match these two together using concatenation in this sentence that would show up on the front end. So I'm gonna show you guys that right now, but before I get to that, I wanna quickly just say that if you guys wanna sign up for any of these courses, I'm gonna leave a link down below where you guys can sign up and you guys can get a special discount by using my referral link, and that'd be really cool. But of course, check the site out first, see if that's something that you are interested in. I'm gonna be posting this once a week after I finish each week. So yeah, let's get over to the kind of screencast of what week 1 was like. Right, so this is the onemonth.com page. So there'll be a link to this down below. And if you use my link, you guys can get a little discount off the 1 month course or membership. So once you're signed in, right now you can see that I'm enrolled in this course right now. So it's a 1 month JavaScript, and there's 67 lessons. I'm in week 2, so I've done 31 of those 67. And each week you'll get a homework, and that'll be your homework for the week. And you can see that there's instructions for each homework right there. So really the setup is really good, and they're always there willing to help you in that Slack channel. So that's pretty much what the 1 month interface looks like. If you guys want me to do a deeper dive into this, I totally can. But I watch the videos in speed of 1.5. It actually keeps me super engaged rather than having it in drunk mode or in just normal speed. But yeah, definitely try it out if you guys want. 2 times the speed is a little crazy, but to each their own. So that's kind of the 1 month interface. And this is Chris right here. So I'm going to show you guys what we did for week 1. So the Happy Hour app was Happy Hour and Oprah was ones that we worked on together during the week. And that kind of like set you up for on your own project, which was this Happy Hour app, but just with your own twist on it. And then Chris added a little bit more tasks to that one. So if I open this up let's open this up in Visual Studio really quick. If I open this up in Visual Studio here, and we can just look at JavaScript. So this is what I was pretty much talking about. So you have your 2 arrays here. So I have a vehicle array and a places array. And then under that, I wrote out the code that pretty much allows it to do this. So calls it lazy daters. So once you load that page up, it'll give you a date, and you can generate a new date, and it'll just go through that array. Really cool. So yeah, it was a really cool project, and I really liked it. Currently on the week 2 project, so hit you guys with that in my next video. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.